Hello everyone. Hi Libra. This is the reading for you for December mid-month, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Libra 8 sign, let's see your message. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what's going on. Your messages, Libra. Okay. One card is I will explain once these cards. Okay. So Libra, I think the one person who always giving in this connection is you, Libra, because Queen of Pentacles is very caring and giving person. Definitely you are very you are always there for your person. Okay, but I think your person coming back to you to offer their cup of love to you in recent past. If not, definitely they will back to you in near future, because Four of Cups is they are sad for the missed opportunity. Yeah, but now they are coming back to you with Knight of Cups. They have a lot of emotions for you. Recently they found that they have a strong emotions for you. For some there is separation, for some there is no contact between both of you guys right now. Yeah, now your person coming back with an apology, and they want to commit to you seriously this time, because Eight of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship. I think for some I am seeing two persons coming towards you. I think for some a new person is also coming towards you, because Page of Cups with Right of Cups. I think two persons. For some, your past person coming back to you. Yeah, past person with an apology what they did to you in past. I think for some, your person not accept the love which is offered by you in past. Now they regret for that. They are regretting for that, and they want you back. Definitely they coming back to you, and this time they really want to work on this relationship very seriously, Libra, because Eight of Pentacles with Ace of Cups and Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. Yeah, this time they are very serious, and definitely for some there is no contact between both of you. Four of Swords is here. I think you are not talking to your person. You're healing, you're undergoing some healing process, Libra, but you're thinking about your person but not taking any action, because you fed up with that energy, because you only the person always giving in this connection. Okay, now it's your person turn to have to take action towards you. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation. Six of Cups with Page of Cups. Yeah, with an apology for what they did to you. Definitely some messages, communication is going to be happen between both of you. And six of Cups is here. Definitely they want reconciliation, and you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Definitely I think your person have a lot of emotions for you, because of Knight of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Six of Cups and Page of Cups. A lot of water energies here, and Four of Cups. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot, and they won't give up on you this time. And this time they're coming back with commitment. Eight of Pentacles. See, this is very slow and stable offer. Definitely they are sincere. They want to work on this relationship. Yeah, this time they want to take action. But decision is up to you, because there is no contact or less contact between both of you guys. You have to make decision, Libra, because they are coming back for reconciliation. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So definitely they are coming back. Their love towards you is overflowing. Ace of Cups is here. Definitely there is love. Definitely your person loves you. Something happened between both of you guys, some misunderstandings. For that there is separation or no contact is happened between both of you, but they are coming back. Now they are realizing your worth, Libra. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going. I think for some you are very defensive this time, because you have some trust issues also, Libra. Seven of Wands. For some you are working on towards your goals and careers. Definitely you are very serious, creating something new in your life, creating money. You are very creative person, Libra. Let's see your person current feelings. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, Fool. See, yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, their feelings towards you, Definitely they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer equal give and take. Six of Pentacles and the Fool. They want to take leap of faith. Definitely there are some trust issues going between both of you guys, but they want to regain the trust and they're trying to win you back again. Yeah. Six of Pentacles with the Fool. Definitely they want a brand new beginnings with you. Queen of Pentacles. This time they want to also share their love with you and they want to be with you. Definitely that's I'm seeing here. Definitely they are coming back with an apology and commitment and they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. And the Fool, definitely brand new beginnings. So here the signs, lot of water energy. You person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire energy, air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Earth energy. Lot of water energy and earth energy is here, guys. So let's see your person near future action towards you. Libra, your person near future actions towards you. Princess of Swords, Two of Swords, yeah, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely some communication. They may be spying on you on social media. Princess of Swords. This time they are very clear about what they do, what they want. They are very clear. Two of Swords. Definitely they are at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. Two of Swords energy. Definitely they will choose you. They are going to be choose you. They wanna be with you, Libra, because they want to offer stability to this connection. They have so much emotions for you. They have so many emotions for you. Definitely they are deeply thinking about you. Okay, that's why they are coming back with an apology and definitely they want reconciliation. They wanna be with you. They wanna going to be choose you. Okay, Libra. Ten of Pentacles, Two of Swords. Definitely they wanna be choose you. And Ten of Pentacles, long-term stability. Definitely stability is coming in your situation and in your relationship. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed. Mutual energies. Okay, Princess of Pentacles. See, commitment, Hierophant, going to be next level. Two cards. Okay, King of Swords. Justice. Yeah, I think for some you cut them off because there is no equal give and take. You only the person putting a lot of effort in this connection. Yeah, I think you are very honest in this connection. You're always giving what I told in starting of radio. Definitely you are giving person in this connection. Yeah, they're coming back with they want second chance. Libra, definitely your card is here, Justice. Yeah, definitely they want second chance. Hierophant, definitely this time they want to commit to you. Definitely they want to marry you. If you are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level and they want to be honest because King of Swords means honest communication. This time they want to speak truth. Okay, King of Swords with Justice. Definitely this time they are serious. This time they're very honest, what I'm getting here, because King of Swords, Justice with Hierophant, and Princess of Pentacles, communication, honest commitment also. Okay, this time these are not words, these are action oriented words. Okay, definitely they will take action and they will make it. So let's see, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. Let's see your overall energy. Libra, Three of Cups, Eight of Wands, communication, Queen of Wands, and Six. What? Definitely you will get success everywhere in your life right now, right career, whatever, in a love relationship also. Definitely stand by your power. You or your person could be Sagittarius also. Yeah, you stand by your power, you overcome. If the pain, if the separation is happened, definitely. And Eight of Wands, communication, a lot of communication is coming in your way and there will be back and forth communication. between you and your person will be happen in near future. And Three of Cups, definitely reconciliation, celebration and union. Definitely your person will approach for second chance for reconciliation through communication. Okay, they will express their honor. I think they're coming back with solid offer. This time they are very true, sincere. You or your person could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person overall energy. Libra. See, Ace of Pentacles, Death, Seven of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I think for some your person may not express their feelings to you in past, but now they want to express. Yeah, because your person may be having some hard time to express their feelings to you. And Seven of Pentacles, definitely they want to invest on this connection this time. And Death, your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Scorpio. Yeah, this is a positive card. Okay, and Ace of Pentacles, definitely they want to work on this relationship. They want to give long term commitment and many years to come in this relationship. Definitely they are coming back with solid offer. They realize you both, Libra, if separation is happened. If separation is not happened, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, lot of earth energies here, or Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.